What up though, it's Terrell with Socialite, and we back again with another one. Today I'm going to be detailing how to use a wallet, how to send and receive crypto, and all of that good stuff. This video will be a precursor as we move into more Web 3.0 content. So yeah, you definitely gonna want to pay close attention to this one if you don't already know how to use a wallet. So for today's example, I will be using a Coinbase wallet and my Robinhood wallet. It doesn't really matter because each wallet is pretty much the same general idea. It works pretty much the same all across the board. So nothing to be worried about, or you don't have to feel like you have to use these platforms or anything like that. This is just for example purposes. This one gonna be short, simple, straight to the point. Let's get right into it. So first thing you want to do is go to the asset in which you want to, send or receive. So for my example, I'm going to be sending from Robinhood to my Coinbase account. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is press send. Once I press send, I'll be able to type in how much of this I want to send. So for this purpose, I'm going to be using Dogecoin because they recently got the updates and everything that I've been talking about, and that made the transaction rates for this extremely cheap. Let me show you. So just to test it out, let's send $100 worth. So from here, you can you can either scan the QR code by giving the app access, and then most wallets do have a QR code that you could just scan and it'll open it up, or you can enter it manually. I wouldn't suggest entering it manually. Obviously, you could just copy and paste it from the other one. So what I would do from there is, after I get it all figured out and I want to figure out the address that I want to send this to, I go over to Coinbase, and instead of send, we're going to press receive because this is where the money is getting sent to. Hit understand, hit OK, and as you can see here, a QR code. So that's where you can use that as well, but for this purpose, we're going to be just copy and pasting the address. So right under the QR code, you will notice it says copy. We're going to press that and then go back over to Robinhood and paste it over here. Review it. As you can see, it costs about a quarter of 1 penny to send $100. So that's pretty dope. And then you just press send. It says it's valid at the end. I have the authenticator app. Most of you probably don't. I suggest doing that. It's really that simple. As you can see here, I got it. Sometimes it takes a little long, sometimes it's instant. It just depends on the network and the traffic and all of those little factors. But if you did everything correctly, you should have no issues sending or receiving crypto from now on. If you learned something new, if you liked it, anything, man, just make sure, give me some feedback, like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, man. Hopefully I was able to show y'all something that y'all ain't know before, man. I'm out.